Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two drones that are perfect for beginners and kids. In one corner, we have the ATTOP Mini Drone, and in the other corner, we have the drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The ATTOP Mini Drone comes in at just $49, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the drone is priced slightly higher at $62. While it may be a bit more expensive, it does offer some additional features that we'll explore later. Now, let's talk about the camera. The ATTOP Mini Drone features an HD camera that can capture photos and videos. You can even connect your phone to the drone for a live video feed, giving you a fantastic first-person view experience. It's perfect for capturing those memorable moments. On the other hand, the drone also comes with a camera, but it takes it up a notch with a 1080p camera. This allows you to manually adjust the camera angle and capture stunning photos and videos. It's great for aerial photography or even inspecting hard-to-reach areas. Flight time and battery life are crucial factors to consider when buying a drone. The ATTOP Mini Drone offers a flight time of 5 to 6 minutes on a full charge. It also has a low battery warning feature, which allows you to safely bring the drone back home. In comparison, the drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing a total flight time of approximately 24 minutes. This is a significant advantage for those who want to enjoy longer flying sessions before needing to recharge. Next, let's talk about control modes. The ATTOP Mini Drone offers multiple control modes including remote control, app control, and even voice control. You can draw a flight path on your smartphone, and the drone will follow it accordingly. It's a fun and interactive way to pilot the drone. Similarly, the drone also offers remote control and app control. You can connect your smartphone to the drone via Wi-Fi and use the ATTOP FPV app for additional features like voice control and trajectory flight. It gives you more flexibility in how you control the drone. Last but not least, let's discuss design and portability. The ATTOP Mini Drone features a foldable design, allowing you to easily carry it in your pocket. It's perfect for taking it on the go and playing with friends and family. Plus, its compact size makes it suitable for indoor use. Similarly, the drone is designed with portability in mind. It's lightweight and easy to carry around. Whether you want to capture stunning aerial shots or have fun with friends, this drone is a great companion. And that concludes our comparison between the ATTOP Mini Drone and the drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages. The ATTOP Mini Drone shines with its affordability and user-friendly controls, making it a great option for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the drone offers a higher resolution camera and longer flight time, perfect for those who want to take their drone experience to the next level. Remember, it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a drone. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.